Good motherfucking morning. Happy Friday. I will not be working today. It's cold as hell. And we're getting snowed on. And yeah, I'm still having back problems. So I'm not going to exaggerate it. Well, looks like the food shortages down here anyways are real. That I've been warning about. It keeps getting a little bit worse every day. Just like I've been saying since Scientific Lee called me a narcissist for warning you. Tried to tell everybody, nah, it's great. The grain's wonderful. You know what is really hard to find? Grain. Fucking grain. Grain. They're blaming the Ukraine war and a lot of different reasons. I mean, they're just coming up with all kinds of different reasons. But, we know why. I've shown you why. The grain died for the last 3 years. Just a little more than yesterday now. Now we have diesel shortages going on all over the place. Price is still climbing. We're not going to run out of diesel, experts say, which I argue I don't see how the hell we could. But they're saying we're going to within the next week. And they're having spotty outages in places. And it's a really odd thing. Anyway, we're going to have problems. They're saying it's causing problems this winter. Tough winter for homeowners and businesses. They're going to hit the 7 states hardest. And, it's a thing they're using, in my opinion, to cover for the fact that we're out of food. Yeah, a little more than yesterday. Again, with the storms, these have not moved. And your horseshoe is still present with your double fucking clockwise rotations on the northern hemisphere, which should not exist. These indicate magnetic influence on our planet. We are being crunched. And it's spiking your Schumann. If you don't know about that, you might want to check out some of my older videos. The fires. These are also a little bit more than yesterday. Penguins down here in Madagascar looking at risk. Y'all might want to do something. Like go back to fucking Australia or Antarctica. Oh my goodness. I don't know about all that. The tundra is on fire, and Europe's on fire, and Africa's on fire. South America, they are also on fire. And so is the United States, in a good portion of the United States for fucking November. These, again, are not hotspots. Have been verified real fires over the last this last year that we've been calling it out anyways. It's been about 6-7 months. And it hasn't slowed down at all. A third of the trees are burning, in fact, because we have 3 microwave energies from 3 different suns shining on our planet. 2 of them visible every time it rains and you see your double rainbow, which are totally different spectrums. Each rainbow being its own spectrum, representing one light source. And the third one, casting the shadow at those 2 suns later in the afternoons. When you're driving north and south, you're seeing 2 shadows, one pointing towards the sun. Well, that's because Ra is a little bit more vibrant than our sun in energy, and you just can't perceive it with your eyes. It's so high in energy, but you can certainly see that shadow. You can also check out your night sky on the north horizon. and see very clearly there's a huge shadow between us and the moon. So maybe that's why we're having sevens almost every day. Fives, multiple fives, like I said there would be. You know, Shepard Ambellis made this documentary called Shackled to Silence. And on it, I predicted this exact scenario in so many words. We would have multiple fives. They'd lead to sixes and sevens every day. Just a little more than yesterday. And I was on record fucking calling it out a couple years ago when Scientific Lee was telling me I was insane, telling people I'm a lying narcissist. Look, that it's a little bit more than yesterday, folks. The man, some of you applaud, because I see you over there making comments. It's funny. He claims to have been an HVAC dude, and now he's a tile laborer, which indicates to me that he wasn't very good at HVAC. Oh boy, Polly's at the door. Yeah, it's a little cold, ain't it? All right, guys, I'm trying to make a video. Tom, seriously. Your bark is even worse than Patches'. All right, well, have a good day, y'all.